Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A lovingly considered restoration by owner-designer Rachael Fry of Criteria, in collaboration with Pasquale Cook, has breathed new life into a heritage-listed villa, transforming the 19th-century residence into a vibrant, art-filled family home bursting with character. Fry, the founder and creative director of Criteria and C. Gallery, was searching for a home for her growing family when she first laid eyes on the 151-year-old residence in the inner Melbourne suburb of Hawthorn. She was instantly struck by its timeless warmth and charm. "I instantly fell for this house," she says. "Despite its worn-down condition, I was drawn to its structure, the unique details and the progression of the spaces.